So market's not quite open yet, we're not too far off, and again we've just had this massive move down. So I've just come to it. We took a short here on the sort of this, well, fake out of the bear flag. So we were able to get 10 points out of that. That was a nice trade, trading 4 contracts. As you can see, it's just ripped straight back up again. But yeah, so big move pre-market, just like yesterday. Yesterday chopped in the opening range. So I think we're probably going to have another day of that, to be fair. Yeah, with such a big move down, I would fully anticipate a chop fest for the rest of the day. But we'll see, you never know. Right, so we took a couple of trades here. So we've taken, oh God, look at the state of that. So we missed pretty much the entirety of the move. We took a 10-point trade somewhere around here. And then we took a trade to pop back up. Don't really know why I took the trade that popped back up. I think we're just so down on this account that we're just desperately trying to get it back. Or we'll see. Yeah, so took a couple of alright trades there. Can't really complain too much. Right, so it was another tough day today. Another frustrating day today, that's for sure. This was just a breakout of a bear flag that didn't actually break out, but at the same time we didn't actually wait for that candle close. We didn't wait for any real confirmation. We jumped in a little bit too early on it, and yeah, it's far too early. Only going for 10 points, but yeah, it's obviously just come straight back up on us. It is what it is. On to the next. So one of the major benefits of me recording what I'm doing here is I can look back at it and see that I really am just trading every single move that's taking place. I'm trying to trade it. Anyway, we've taken a long here. Followed it with our stop quite tightly, to be fair. So we ended up getting stopped out in profit. We moved our stop up. We've broken that 14 EMA now, and we're starting to curl over. This is a 5-minute chart, so we've got quite a recovery taking place after quite a big move down. So yeah, this one worked out quite nicely for us. Market's open now, just switched over to gold, holding that 14 EMA quite nicely. We are in a bit of a downtrend, we're making some lower highs. So yeah, we've got a big wick on that green candle, doji candle there, and now we're starting to push down. So I just sort of hopped in and rode the momentum down with it. So this one was a nice trade. There was nothing really wrong with this one. Obviously I didn't want to stay in it to go for the bottom of the range. Moved our stop into profit. Luckily it didn't hit, and it just continued down to our take profit. So yeah, happy with that. Okay, this one was a short. I think I entered it looking at that previous 5-minute candle. Closed quite bearish. Big wick on the top. And yeah, I moved my stop real quick there to try and anticipating it, falling away and flushing down, but it came back up on itself, so I moved my stop back up again. I'm glad that I did, because yeah, we were able to get quite a nice move there. I can honestly say I have no idea what the fuck this one was. I don't know what I was doing, what I was looking at, why I'm doing it. other, a prime example of how, my account's down. And when my account's down, that's when my discipline just goes to shit. That's when I start taking way too many trades. This was just one of them. One of probably many that I took. I don't even fucking remember. So a very rapid one by the looks of this. This is actually looking at the hourly chart. So we had this big wick up and then starting to move back down. So yeah, hopped into it quickly for a quick 10-point scalp. So it was alright, that one. And it did continue to move down, to be fair.